Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pass Arena 14 in Clash Royale. To pass Arena 14 in Clash Royale, focus on using a strong deck that includes a win condition like Hawk Rider or Mega Knight. In a defensive building, level up your key cards and learn to manage your elixir by punishing opponents' mistakes. Pay attention to card synergies such as Giant Skeleton and Hawk Rider and practice efficient defense to enable effective counter pushes with surviving troops. Some key strategies include deck building. Include a primary card like the Hawk Rider or Mega Knight that can damage enemy towers. A card like Cannon or Tesla can pull enemy tanks and defend your towers. Experiment with combinations like Giant Skeleton and Hawk Rider, where the Giant Skeleton's death explosion sets up Hawk Rider for a powerful push. Ensure your deck has a big spell like Fireball to finish off weakened towers or clear enemy swarms. Some gameplay fundamentals. Focus on leveling up a few key cards within your chosen deck, as card level disparity is a major factor in hard stock positions. Punish opponents for overcommitting in single elixir by launching a counter push on the opposite lane. Use surviving troops from a strong defense to launch a counterattack, building pressure on the opponent. In the first minutes of a match, focus on identifying your opponent's win condition and key spells to adjust your strategy. Practice and adaptation. Many Clash Royale YouTubers demonstrate successful decks and strategies for different arenas. Websites like Royale API can help you find popular and effective decks for your current arena. Adapt to the meta. Be aware of buffs and nerfs to different cards and consider switching out underperforming cards in your deck for stronger alternatives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.